Laser engraving has become increasingly popular in recent years as more and more people seek personalized and unique items. If you have an interest in starting a laser engraving business, this video will guide you through the process. Here are the steps to follow to start a successful laser engraving business. Research and plan your business. Before starting your laser engraving business, you should conduct thorough research and create a detailed plan. Research your competition, identify your target market, and determine the types of products and services you will offer. You should also consider your startup costs, including the cost of a laser engraving machine, software, materials, and any other equipment you may need. It's also important to consider your business structure, such as whether you will operate as a sole proprietorship or LLC. Choose your laser engraving machine. Choosing the right laser engraving machine is essential to the success of your business. Consider the size and power of the machine, as well as its capabilities and features. You should also consider the materials you plan to engrave and ensure that the machine is compatible with those materials. There are several types of laser engraving machines available, including QO2 lasers, fiber lasers, and diode lasers. Each type has its advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to research and choose the one that best fits your needs. Select your materials and products. The materials you choose to engrave will play a significant role in your business's success. Consider the demand for certain types of products, as well as the profitability of each product. Popular materials for laser engraving include wood, metal, glass, acrylic, and leather. It's also important to consider the types of products you will offer, such as custom gifts, promotional items, and personalized products for weddings and other events. Create a strong brand identity. A strong brand identity is crucial to the success of any business. Create a logo and visual identity that represents your business and appeals to your target market. Use your branding consistently across all marketing materials, including your website, social media profiles, and business cards. Develop a marketing strategy. Marketing is essential to growing your laser engraving business. Develop a marketing strategy that includes social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Consider partnering with local businesses to offer your services and products. It's also important to have a strong online presence, including a website and social media profiles. Use search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to improve your website's visibility in search results. Offer excellent customer service. Offering excellent customer service is key to building a loyal customer base and growing your business. Respond to customer inquiries promptly, address any issues or concerns, and provide clear communication throughout the buying process. Offer a hassle-free return policy to build trust and confidence with your customers. Establish relationships with suppliers. To ensure that you have a consistent supply of high-quality materials, it's essential to establish relationships with reliable suppliers. Research suppliers and wholesalers in your industry and compare pricing and quality. Building strong relationships with your suppliers can also lead to better pricing and faster delivery times. Set your prices. Setting the right prices for your products is crucial to the success of your business. Consider the cost of materials, labor, and overhead when determining your prices. It's also important to research the prices of similar products in the market and ensure that your prices are competitive. Develop efficient workflows. To maximize your productivity and profitability, it's important to develop efficient workflows for your business. This includes organizing your workspace and equipment, streamlining your production process, and automating tasks where possible. By developing efficient workflows, you can reduce waste, improve quality, and increase output. Stay up to date with industry trends and technology. The laser engraving industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and trends emerging all the time. To stay competitive and grow your business, it's important to stay up to date with these changes. Attend industry events and trade shows, follow industry news and blogs, and invest in new technologies and equipment when necessary. Thank you for watching this video on the best way to start a laser engraving business. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more business-related content. Starting a laser engraving business can be a lucrative and rewarding venture if you take the time to plan and execute your strategy effectively. By researching your competition, choosing the right equipment, and offering high-quality products and excellent customer service, you can build a successful and profitable business. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who may find it helpful. And if you have any questions or comments about starting a laser engraving business, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.